incorporate more fiber into our diet. Yellow kiwi. Jesus. Hello, Zuris. Welcome back to my channel. If you're true to this, not new to this, welcome to the party. But it's first time here. Welcome you one time, welcome you two times, welcome you three times to Zuri community. We're so happy to join us on this marvelous day. And a marvelous day indeed. Welcome back to another video. And as you guys can tell, hello. As you can tell by the title and where we're at, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day style video. Somebody had asked me on one of my posts about like what type of content you want to see, and somebody had mentioned this. And it's so funny because I do get asked pretty often, like, what do I eat? So this video is going to let you guys know realistically what I eat in a day. I feel like I don't like to like label myself as like anti-inflammatory diet or Mediterranean diet, or I don't like to label myself as one of those things. I'm just someone that likes to be aware of what I'm putting into my body, and the less ingredients within things, the better for me in the long run. Hello. In essence, like what I try to have. So we do go to two stores. We normally go to Aldi and then we'll go to Publix, but today we went to Harris Teeter. So I'm just gonna like do it by bags. Originally I was gonna like break it up by produce and meats. I don't got time for that. I'm overstimulated. I'm gonna kind of like rapid fire, I guess, the things that I am gonna be showing you guys, so it's not like too drawn out. Anywho, so I like the little 𝐜𝐭 milk. I usually get the oat milk, but they didn't have oat milk, so I just got the almond milk. And I like the organic one because it literally only has like 4 ingredients. It has like water, almonds, vanilla extract, and sea salt. And I feel like that's all you honestly truly need in milk, if I'm being honest. Also got some peanut butter crackers. These are more so for JB, his little snack throughout the week. And I love these like Lara bars. Oh my gosh, these are like so good. I remember when I was doing the Daniel's fast, I needed like a little snack. And this was something that I found myself like gravitating towards. And so I got the chocolate chip and cookie dough. And I'm also kind of hooked on like the whole fishwife tin fish things, but at my Harris Teeter they didn't have them. So I just ended up getting some regular sardines for one of the meals I want to make. I've been incorporating sardines because they're so good, like omega fatty acids and just like making the skin glow. And, you know, all the things, plus not to mention it's 14 grams of protein. So in here is like another one of JB snacks, some Ritz crackers, child. I mean, I love some crackers. And then we also got some like super greens. We're trying to like, you know, incorporate more fiber into our diet. This is the one we normally get, but we're like trying a new one. Again, JB child, he loves some yum yum sauce on all his things. And then I just got some basil. And so in here, another one of JB's little things, child. But Hawaiian rolls, he loves to eat these with like his meals. Get a carton of eggs. I got 2 things of ground beef. One I'm gonna use for like my little bowls I'm gonna make, and then the other one I'm gonna make my own chicken sausage, since I'm trying to stay away from like a lot of processed foods. Boneless chicken thighs, romaine lettuce, spinach, 2 things of bananas. We love bananas in this household for like protein shakes and stuff. Orange juice, yellow kiwi. I wanted to try some liquid egg whites because I am caloric deficit in a sense to like reach my body goals. And so with that, I'm trying not to eat as many calories. And then also I'm trying to keep my protein the same and incorporate more fiber. And so I got the liquid egg whites to mix with my eggs for breakfast. Additional like 5 grams of protein. Trying to get it in while I can, child. Lemons, whole milk for JB. Got a little cucumber, bone broth. Whew, 1 more bag to go, child. Bell peppers. I got a little protein bagel, blackberries and raspberries. Pico de gallo.
I love how you prioritize your health.
Thank you, pumpkin. Got some Italian seasoning. This isn't really groceries, but a little Febreze, child. Tomatoes. Love some sweet potatoes, okay? One thing about us, we don't eat a sweet potato. Black beans, 2 things of corn, some honey. But yeah, so we end up going to like 2 grocery stores primarily because Aldi is a little more cheaper in terms of like whole foods. Then we go to Harris Teeter or Publix because they do tend to have like more like name brand stuff, like the yum yum sauce that JB gets, or like the sardines I like, or even like the type of milk that I like. So that's kind of like why we split it up. And honestly, we started doing this when we were like wedding planning, and it's just like something that like has carried on. All this was $107, and then the Harris Teeter stuff was like $70. Yeah, it really truly is inflation. But this is it for the grocery haul. I'm going to show you guys some of the meals that I make, starting off with breakfast. actually cook them, obviously. But in the TikTok, they use avocado oil. I'm going to use olive oil because I'm allergic to avocado oil, but use whatever oil you desire. And yeah, I'm basically just going to cook them until they are done. It says for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, breakfast is done. It's literally almost 10:30. So I have my chicken sausage I showed you guys, and I just have some scrambled eggs with egg whites and spinach, period. And then, like I mentioned, I'm trying to really increase my fiber. So I have a little fruit bowl. It has regular kiwi, it has some yellow kiwi, well, the golden kiwi, raspberries, and blackberries. So this is what I'm going to eat. I'll probably drink some water because I really need to also up my water intake. Normally I would just drink like, I have some chamomile tea, or if I'm on a cycle, I'll drink like raspberry tea, something warm. But like I said, I really need to increase my water intake. I also forgot to mention, since I am like in a calorie deficit and I'm trying to really maintain my protein goals, I use the app. It's like, what is it called? FitnessPal, MyFitnessPal. And so you're able to like log your stuff. So for breakfast, I like logged everything, and it's saying that this is 59 grams of protein. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how accurate that is. That's what it's saying, child. It's saying that it's like 709 calories. I think I'm trying to hit 2,000 calories, somewhere around there. Like 140, 160 grams of protein. Anywho, I'm gonna go eat my meal, and then I'll probably hit you guys back up when like time for like a snack or lunch, whichever one comes first. So some time has passed. I'm getting ready to meal prep my lunch for the week. And so for this week, if I remember correctly, I want to do like a sardine snack, not so much a snack plate, but like a sardine bowl. So I don't know if you guys have seen like the sushi bowls where it's like there's rice, there's like tuna, there's like cucumbers, tomatoes, pickled onions. It's like really, really cute. Let me see if I can find it. I found a lot of my recipes on TikTok, and I kind of just like improvise. So I found this one actually through Tony Bravo. I don't know if you guys follow her on TikTok, but yeah, that's how I got the base. But for my rice, I like to do a cauliflower fluff rice. So I just have some rice cauliflower that I got from Publix. So I do about like a cup of that, and then I have some jasmine rice. So I do like a cup of the jasmine rice, and then I'm just gonna like add just a little bit of salt to taste. I like to use bone broth instead of water. I just feel like you get more nutritional value, and it's like 9 grams of protein per 1 cup. I guess that's about the rest of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this simmer on the stove and cook, and I'm gonna start prepping my vegetables just to go ahead and like get that all out the way. And I also do need to like make some more pickled onions, so I think I might start doing that now as well, so I can have some later on during the week. Alright, so I made my pickled onions. I'm just gonna let them marinate, and then I'm gonna use up the rest of the ones that I made last week. Instead of white sugar, I have coconut sugar, and then I just use like regular salt and apple cider vinegar. I've made pickled onions with apple cider vinegar and with regular vinegar. I feel like it just kind of depends on like the vibe I'm in I guess determine which one I want to use that day. But yeah, lately I've just been liking apple cider vinegar. I heard sardines are high in protein. These have 14 grams of protein. I usually like to get the Fish Wife sardines, so we'll see how these turn out. Either way, I like, you know, spice them up. But before I was using sardines, I was using just like regular tuna, and And I just like season the tuna, and I would put that over the rice, like how I'm gonna do the sardines. So you don't have to do sardines. I don't always do sardines. Sometimes I do. Like I just mentioned tuna, but yeah. So I'm just gonna prep everything, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Voila! Isn't she so cute? So cutesy. So I have the pickled onions, cucumbers, rice, sardines, and I love having some seaweed on the side. I feel like it just makes it actually taste like a sushi bowl in a sense. But yeah, it's not the most appetizing, I'm not gonna lie. I've made prettier bowls, but maybe I can't be bothered right now. I am a little nervous though, I'm not gonna lie, to try these new sardines. I put pepper, like squeezed lemon on it, and the blue agave sriracha. I feel like I put something else on it the last time I had it, but I don't remember. And also, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like in this can, the one that we got from Harris Teeter, you get so much more sardines as opposed to the one in the fish wipe can. So before I eat, I want to show you guys how many grams of protein-esque. So I'm pretty sure the only thing that has protein in it is the sardine. I mean, this has 1 gram of protein, child. That don't count. So basically, besides the rice, which I added like bone broth to, and the sardines, it's not really a lot of protein when you think about it. But this is what my app is saying. Like 396 calories, 16 grams of protein, 59 grams carbs, and 9 fat. I'm definitely gonna have to drink a protein shake or something afterwards just to kind of get my protein grams to where it needs to be. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when I do that. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I am literally so tired. We've been up since like, maybe up since like 5:30, but we didn't get out of bed till 6 to go to the gym. And it's like, whenever you get up early and you have like so much time to do stuff, you feel so tired. Like I've been tired since 1. I was gonna make some coffee, but I'm like, girl, we have to be smart about our calories, since I think I only have about like 800-ish calories left. And I did end up eating the whole can of sardines. It was too good, not gonna hold you. I'm just ready for my skin to start glow. Oh, it's going on 5:23. And I still need to meal prep me and JB's dinner. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so tired. I really need to finish this vlog. So when this vlog gets finished is when I'll start meal prepping. And I'm on my 6 cup of water, 6-7 cup of water. My goal is to get to 10. So my girl, even if you want a coffee, you need to drink some water. I am gonna eat this little bar. I think I showed you guys this yesterday. Hold on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I showed you guys these yesterday. It's the little Lara bar snacks. I got the chocolate chip cookie dough. And in terms of the ingredients, it has cashews, dates, semi-sweet chocolate chips. It has apples, sea salt, and vanilla extract. It has 4 grams of protein, 3 grams of dietary fiber. It's like 220 calories. But yeah, I'm gonna eat me one of these. I feel like I've had this before. I don't know though, I'm also like, I'm not hungry, but like I want a snack. I hope I'm like still craving something when it comes to dinner, because I'm trying to really meet my goals, child. It kind of reminds me of like a chocolate chip granola, not so much granola bar, but like the chewy granola bars. But it's dairy-free and plant-based. Perfect. I'll take 10 of them. But soon and very soon, I'm hoping to start cooking dinner. I'm literally so tired. It's currently 9:42 and I'm still meal prepping. I'm almost done. I just have to make the ground chicken for my bowl. So we both have different variations of a sweet potato bowl, just based off of like our needs and wants for like our fitness goals. So JB has boneless chicken thighs. He'll have like corn. He wants like spinach, pico de gallo. I don't know if I said sweet potatoes. And that's pretty much it. I don't know if he'll like load it with rice as well. But I know for mine, I'll have sweet potatoes, ground chicken. I have black beans, I have corn, I have my pickled onions, and then I have some peppers that I like saute. So that is pretty much like our dinner. I'm trying to get this stuff situated, child, so my husband can have some food when he come back to the house. But it's like almost 10 o'clock and he's still working. I'm just like, child, I'm trying to be in bed by like 10:30. So this is like me eating extremely late. I'm just like, should I even eat food, child? I don't know, but I want to give you guys an update. I mean, I pretty much, like I said, have everything almost done. This is like everything that's done. Next, you have to do the chicken, and then in the air fryer, I have the chicken thighs for JB. Your girl is finally done. Let me give you a close up. It doesn't actually look so pretty and colorful. So we have the sweet potatoes, black beans, bell peppers, my chicken, corn, and my pickled onions that y'all saw me make earlier. I don't know, it's like food like this makes me feel so happy because it's just like, one is like the presentation is so cute, but also like it's just gonna be so good. I probably would like drizzle some type of sauce on. I'm not exactly sure what kind of sauce just yet. So I did all my little calculations and stuff. And surprisingly, this was actually a good amount of protein. So all together today, I've had 128 grams out of my 140 grams. So not bad at all. I can definitely like, wait, I didn't even add my little snack. What's that thing called? Lara bar. I mean, I'm at 130 grams now, child. So 10 grams off. That's not bad at all. I don't really know like what I could eat per se. I probably should have had that protein shake. That would have got me there because on my calories, I have like 371 calories left. But yeah, I feel like this was a pretty good day in terms of eating and stuff. I mean, it's too late now to try to get the rest of my protein, but everything looks kind of different in the sense of reaching it and not reaching it because I have my protein shake. Sometimes I don't. Might have a little snack. So yeah. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.